You have been paying too much for toilet bowl cleaners your entire life. And the people selling you those $50 bottles, they are laughing all the way to the bank. What if I told you that a $2 box sitting in the pharmacy aisle, something designed for grandma's dentures, can make your toilet bowl look brand new overnight, without scrubbing, without chemicals, without breaking a sweat? The cleaning industry has spent decades making sure you never find out about this. They built an entire empire on your dirty toilet and your empty wallet. Today, that empire falls. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Denture tablets to get a spotless, sparkling, stain-free toilet bowl by morning. No products to buy, no professionals to call, just a $2 box and one night. Stay until the end, because the last tip is going to completely change how you clean your entire bathroom forever. Think about your toilet right now. Really think about it. That ugly brown ring sitting at the waterline. That yellow calcium buildup that never fully goes away no matter how hard you scrub. That pink or black mildew crawling up the sides of the bowl. You have scrubbed it. You have poured bleach on it. You have bought every product at the store. The brushing hurts your back. The fumes burn your eyes. And after all that effort, the stains come back in 2 weeks, sometimes less. You're stuck in a cycle that never ends. And here is what makes it even worse. You are probably spending $10 to $20 every single month on toilet cleaning products. That is $240 a year. Over 10 years, that is $2,400 spent just to keep one toilet clean. One toilet. If you have 2 bathrooms, double that number. Now think about professional toilet and bathroom cleaning services. A basic deep clean from a professional service costs anywhere from $150 to $300, depending on how bad the buildup is. Plumbers who remove calcium and mineral deposits from toilet bowls charge $200 to $500 for a single visit. Some people have even paid over $1,000 to have their toilet completely replaced because the staining was so deep they thought the porcelain itself was ruined. And none of that was necessary. Not a single dollar of it. Because the solution has always been sitting right there in the pharmacy aisle, next to the toothbrushes and the reading glasses. Right there. $2. And nobody told you. Nobody was allowed to tell you. Here's the part they never wanted you to know. Back in the 1950s and 1960s, the household cleaning industry was just finding its footing. Companies like the ones behind your favorite toilet bowl cleaners were filing patents, lobbying governments, and spending millions building brand loyalty. During this same period, chemists and home economists working for the government actually documented dozens of household and pharmaceutical products that could serve double duty as powerful cleaners. These findings were compiled, reviewed, and quietly shelved. Because the cleaning product companies had already started signing enormous advertising contracts with television networks. They were buying influence. In 1962, a group of independent researchers published findings showing that effervescent tablet compounds, the same fizzing chemistry used in antacids and denture cleaners, could dissolve mineral deposits, hard water stains, and organic buildup more effectively than most commercial acid-based cleaners. The research was buried within 2 years. The companies making Comet and similar products were not going to let that information reach housewives watching afternoon television. They needed you to keep buying. They needed you to believe that only their special formula could handle the job. So they advertised, and advertised, and advertised some more. Generation after generation grew up believing you needed a specific toilet bowl cleaner for a toilet bowl. That belief made them billions. What I am about to show you is what those researchers found in 1962. The science has been sitting there this whole time. Only the people who stumbled onto it by accident ever knew. And now you're one of them. Denture cleaning tablets, the ones that cost $1.97 to $3.50 for a box of 40 tablets at any pharmacy, grocery store, or dollar store near you. These tiny fizzing tablets contain a combination of ingredients that the cleaning industry charges you a fortune to replicate in diluted, weakened, overpackaged form. The primary active ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, in a highly concentrated effervescent form. Combined with citric acid, the tablet creates a powerful fizzing reaction the moment it hits water. This reaction releases carbon dioxide bubbles that physically agitate the surface of whatever they touch. Those bubbles are working like millions of tiny scrubbing fingers getting into every microscopic crack and groove in your porcelain. But that is only half of it. Most denture tablets also contain sodium perborate or potassium monopersulfate, both of which are oxidizing agents. These chemicals break down organic stains at the molecular level. That brown ring at your waterline? Organic buildup from minerals and bacteria. The oxidizing agent in that $2 tablet dissolves it chemically, so it simply lifts away. Professional toilet cleaning services use an industrial version of this exact same chemistry. They charge you $200 for it. You can buy the consumer version for $2. The citric acid component handles your calcium and limescale deposits. Hard water leaves calcium carbonate behind every single time your toilet flushes. Over months and years, it builds into that thick white or yellowish crust that no brush seems to touch. Citric acid reacts with calcium carbonate directly, breaking it apart and allowing it to rinse away. This is not a trick. This is basic chemistry. And the big cleaning brands know it. They just need you not to know it. Here's exactly how you do this. Tonight, before you go to bed, lift the toilet seat and look at your toilet bowl. Take a photo if you want proof of the before. Drop 2 denture cleaning tablets directly into the toilet bowl water. Not the tank, the bowl itself. Drop them in and watch them fizz. That fizzing is already working. Do not flush. Do not add anything else. Do not touch it. Just walk away. The tablets need time to do their job without interruption. The longer you leave them, the deeper the cleaning action goes. Overnight is ideal. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of contact time. While you sleep, the effervescent reaction continues, working in slow waves. The citric acid is eating through your calcium deposits, and the oxidizing agents are breaking down years of organic staining. When you wake up in the morning, take the toilet brush and give the bowl one gentle, light scrub around the entire surface. You're not scrubbing hard. You are just helping any loosened debris detach from the porcelain. One easy pass is all it takes, then flush. Watch the water carry everything away. For extremely stubborn stains, rings that have been there for years, repeat this process for 2 or 3 consecutive nights. Each night the tablets work deeper into the buildup. By the 3rd morning, even decade-old staining begins to lift. One very important thing you must not do. Do not mix denture tablets with bleach or ammonia-based cleaners. The oxidizing compounds in the tablets can react unpredictably with chlorine bleach. Keep it simple. Tablets and water only. That is the entire method. Also make sure the bathroom has some ventilation. Crack a window or leave the exhaust fan running. The fizzing releases a small amount of carbon dioxide and you want fresh air moving through. For the toilet tank, the part nobody ever cleans, drop 1 tablet into the tank and let it sit for 2 hours, then flush 3 times. This removes the buildup inside the tank that constantly recontaminates your bowl every time you flush. This is the step most people skip and then wonder why their bowl gets dirty again so quickly. Well, clean the source and you solve the problem at the root. Finally, for maintenance going forward, drop 1 tablet into the bowl once a week before bed. 1 tablet. $2 gets you 40 tablets. That is 40 weeks of maintenance cleaning for $2 total. People who have tried this method cannot stop talking about it. A woman in Ohio had a toilet with a rust and mineral ring so thick she had been quoted $340 by a plumber to descale it. After 3 nights of denture tablets, she sent a message saying the ring was completely gone and the porcelain looked the same color as the day it was installed. A retired teacher in Florida said he had tried every product at the hardware store over 15 years and nothing touched his hard water deposits. 2 nights, gone. Thousands of people have now tried this method, and the results are consistent because the chemistry is consistent. The before and after difference is not subtle. It is dramatic. Porcelain that looked permanently stained returns to bright white. Waterline rings that seemed etched into the bowl dissolve and flush away. The results do not wear off in 2 weeks like a bottle of commercial cleaner. Because you are not masking the stain with a chemical coating, you are actually dissolving and removing it. Properly maintained with a weekly tablet, a toilet bowl can stay at this level of clean indefinitely. People who have been using this weekly maintenance method for over a year report that their toilet looks cleaner now than it ever did when they were using expensive commercial products twice a week. The cleaning industry does not want this to spread. Every person who switches to this method is a customer they lose forever. If this video just saved you hundreds of dollars, do one simple thing. Hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this information reach more people who are wasting money they do not have to waste. Subscribe so you never miss a secret like this one. Next week, I'm going to show you another $2 product that professional carpet cleaners use in their industrial machines, and how you can get the exact same result at home for almost nothing. That one is going to make you genuinely angry at how much you have spent. One final tip before you go. Drop a denture tablet into your bathroom sink drain once a month. Let it fizz for 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. It dissolves soap scum and organic buildup in your pipes before it ever becomes a clog. Plumbers charge $150 to clear a slow drain. You just learned how to prevent it for pennies. You're not powerless against these industries anymore. You have the knowledge now. Use it.